Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Tasks for helping you create checklists and just, staying on task for all of the assignments and things you might have going on for school. So, Google Tasks is kind of a hidden gem in Google. It's not super obvious where it is. The most helpful place to go to actually find it is to open your little Google Apps menu here or the Google Waffle menu and open up a Google productivity tool like Docs or Slides. So when I open up one of these tools, I'll just open up a blank one. And this is the fastest way to get to tasks. I will say, if you also want to install the Google Tasks app on your cell phone or your mobile device, that's another great way to have easy access to it. And just use your BCSU Google account so it syncs up on your Chromebook or your laptop and then also on your phone. So once I have this open, on the right-hand side of my screen, it's kind of a hidden side panel. But when I click this, Google Tasks is this little blue checklist button. And this is where I can create any items that I know I need to do. So helpful things here, it kind of guides you through how to use this. But if I click here, then I can add a couple of details. So finish my science project. I can write that one down. I can add more details and notes here, like what I need to do. I can even set a date and time that I want to have this finished. So maybe I want to have this finished by tomorrow at 11 a.m. and I'll click OK. And the nice thing is that if you set a specific timestamp on this, and if you're working on your laptop or your computer, Chromebook, whatever have you, that day, it will have a little notification sound in the background to kind of give you that reminder that, oh, this assignment or this task on your list is due. If I start something, then it just keeps it at the top of my list. All right, so I have that there and I can just keep going on down the list as I need to. What's also cool is that you can create different types of lists here if you would like. So maybe you create one for your science class and then you create a different list for your math class. You can create ones for every single subject. So that's just a way to stay more organized as well. As you finish tasks, all you have to do is just click the button here to check it off. There's a little tiny confetti thing there. It says it's finished and you're good to go. And if you're ever wondering like, oh, maybe I crossed something off when I actually didn't finish it, or I just need to go back and double check that I have all those things done. If I click this little arrow here, it shows that all of my things are finished and I can permanently delete those if I would like, but it's just another option for me to keep track of everything that I need. So super easy to get to that. If you're in a Google tool, it's just going to be on this side panel, and that's how I can cross things off from there. All right. So in this example, I have my emails where I know I need to follow up because there's 360s and it's learning content and the like. So to open Google Tasks, there's this little side panel. It's open in most Google products, like if you're on Slides, Docs, or Sheets, also on Gmail. So I'm going to open this, and then Google Tasks is this little blue check mark. So when I open that, I can start typing out a task right now. But if I know that I want to make one of these emails something that I follow up on and make sure that it's on my to-do list for the day so I don't forget, I'm going to click and drag to make that a new task. So if I want, I can change the name of this because it's just going to put whatever the subject line of this email is. So for this example, it's a 360, so it's always going to be the name of the 360, but I can add more details here. I can pick a date and time that I want to get a notification for this to go and remind me that I have to do it. But what's nice is that it keeps the email right there. So if I need to jump back to it, I can click it and it opens it up and I'm all good to go. So that is how you can use Google Tasks to manage some of your emails in your inbox and keep track of ones that you know you need to respond to and ones that you might have responded to already.